Now, let's start an introduction to logs. Let's first understand what does logs mean. If I have log of base A for B equal x, this means that A to the power of x is equal to B. So this is A to the power of x is equal to B. Another type of log is called the natural log. The natural log is a log with base of the number e. If I have log with the base of number e, then this is called the natural logarithm. I can state it as len. For len, I don't show the base because by default the base is e. Now let's evaluate some values. If we have, let's take a simple example in here. If I have log 3 to the base of 2 and I want to find the value of this log. In our course, we are allowed to use the graphical display calculator. So we can get back to our graphical display calculator to find the value of this expression. So we go to our graphical display calculator, we go to run matrix and we go to math and we choose log AB from F2 and we have the base in here, we set it to be 2 and this value to be 3. And we just execute. So our calculator gives me the value of this log to be 1.585 rounded to 3 significant figures. So it is 1.585 rounded to 3 significant figures. Let's now solve an example also. In this example, we want to use the graphical display calculator to write down the values for the following correct to 3 significant figures. The first value for part A is log 3 to the power of 4. This is equal to, we go to our graphical display calculator, we also choose the log AB. No, we don't need in this case the log AB, so we delete it. We go to exit, we go to log, because the base already the defaulted base which is 10. We go to log and 3 to the power of 4. And the value of this log is 1.91 rounded to 3 significant figures. So it is 1.91 rounded to 3 significant figures. For part B, we want to find out the value of len of 4. Also, we can use our graphical display calculator. So we choose len and 4 and we simply execute, which is equal to 1.39 rounded to 3 significant figures. So it's 1.39 rounded to 3 significant figures.